This WL Intimates Tailgate Emblem set offers a clean factory-style replacement that refreshes the rear of compatible Yukon, Yukon XL, Acadia, and Terrain models with a cohesive all-gloss black finish. The emblem pieces are fully three-dimensional molded plastic rather than thin decals, giving them a solid factory-like feel and a more premium look up close. Sizing is carefully matched to original equipment dimensions, so the letters sit correctly on the tailgate and align well with existing body lines. Pre-applied automotive-grade adhesive on the back of each piece makes installation straightforward, with a simple peel and stick process once the surface is cleaned and dried properly. Once installed, the adhesive holds firmly to the tailgate, resisting weather, car washes, and daily use, so the emblem stays secure over time. Overall, this set is a strong choice for drivers who want to replace worn badges or black out the rear branding while keeping an original equipment appearance.